Hello everyone, I'm Jay, and welcome back to English Life. In today's lesson, I'd like to teach you how to say things you might have in your bag. Before we begin, please don't forget to hit the notification bell to keep updated on our latest videos. Now, let's get ready to start speaking English today. Please give it a try. What's in your bag? A cell phone. A cell phone. A cell phone. Keys. 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 A wallet. A wallet. A wallet. Sunglasses. 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 Breath mints. Breath mints. Breath mints. A pen. A pen. A pen. Glasses. 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 What's in your bag? Please leave it in the comments down below. Did you find this video helpful? I upload videos every week on English pronunciation. You can find some of my other videos here. If you like this video, please don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, this is Jay signing off. See you again real soon. Goodbye.